All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. Let me get a little chat back. If you guys could hear me okay, just want to do a quick audio check. All right, perfect. All right, let me just get this thing up and running. Just trying to get something up. All right. All right, good. Music's still playing. Is it really? All right, should be playing on my end. I don't hear it loud and clear. All right, could everyone see the? Just want to make sure. Listen, I'm on a different computer right now. I just want to make sure everybody on live stream could see my execution system. Can everyone see my? Everybody see the trading system? I know you could see it in the trading room. Just want to be able to see if everybody could see it in the YouTube and Facebook. Just want to make sure. I assume so. All right. So everybody can see. I assume everybody can see it. Okay. Yep, there we go. All right, good. All right, everybody. So anyway, sorry about the little delay. Just like I said, you know it is when you start out with a new computer and everything else, have to upgrade technology. I was trying to fix the audio issue that we're having in the cyber group room, so hopefully everything's working. But anyway, a couple of good stocks that are making some big moves this morning. You could see, I know a bunch of you guys have been trading this APGN that's doing pretty well. There's a great iceberg order. I mean, if everybody saw what would happen, let me bring it up over here. You could see that a nice little iceberg order showed up right around this 256 price range. And then once it came down to it, it kind of backed off right there down to 212. So nice little program trading kicked in right around the 8:30 time frame. I know you guys did pretty well on that. We'll keep an eye on it. But before we do that and go through the big watch list, listen, market took a big hit. Swing trading took a big hit across the board. And I mean, it was still looking good on some of them. But let me tell you, this inflation thing is, it's going to cause some issues. They're saying it's going to have they're predicting it. And you know what? I don't know if you guys have been watching Fox Business News, but they're all up in Switzerland, the billionaires, and everybody's tooting their horn, how rich they are, and they're all complaining of this and that. But as much as you might not agree with a lot what's going on over there, they do have a lot of influence, and it does put, you got to remember, Wall Street runs the stock market. So if you want to go out there and trade against them and think like you don't want to listen to them, then you're in the wrong business. Remember, we're not leaders as traders. We're followers. We're the peasants on the floor. We're the ants trying to get the crumbs. We're trading against the big people. So we got to listen to what they're saying because, listen, that's a trader. That's how you got to think as a trader. You're doing this as a business. Now, let's talk about what happened yesterday, because there were a couple of good stocks that did make some good big moves yesterday. And I'd really like to talk a little bit about them, and then we'll go through the watch list. I want to start off with the OTRK right there. Now, OTRK, you could see, had a very, very nice move right there. Gorgeous pop-up right around about 60 cents. Went all the way to about 11.30, ran to about $1.60. That one actually went pretty well. Hold on one second. Here we go. And then we had, what else we had that made a nice little move? The TCBP. Also, nice little trend right there. A little bit more within our price range for some of you who don't want to trade something under $1. That stock right there went from 560 up to 850. Nice little trend. Nice little movement. Had a reverse stock split. You could see back in November. But that stock did pretty well. NRGV, a really, really nice move. I like this one probably the best out of them all. Look at that trend right there. Right at 9:30, the stock did not want to back off. It just literally made a gorgeous move all the way from $4 all the way up to about $5.40. Just nice, comfortable. Had a couple of shakes on the way. Within our price range, wasn't expensive. That one did pretty well. And what else was the last one? It was a small move, wasn't a big move, which was the MEGL. That was another one that was nice in the afternoon. You could see that one right here. It had a nice little pop from 260 all the way up to about 320. Not bad. Small, but nice. But anyway, that's what you missed. And that was pretty good yesterday. But you know what? That's the past. Let's turn the page. Let's focus on what's going on today. There are a lot of stocks that are moving up there. You can see on the watch list. Yesterday also was a pretty good short day. Let me just bring up the Dow and just show you what happened as of yesterday. Overall, I mean, I don't need to go through stock by stock by stock, but you could see from there on in, it just constantly keep trending down. Then you had the middle of the day, and then the last hour. Nobody was just like this. This stock looks exactly what we look at when we teach in our phase 3 when it comes to shorting. The trend kept going down, down, down. So it was never too late. So if you were an afternoon trader, you could have benefited from that too also. So anyway, that stock made a nice little trend down. Dow came down. That means everything else came down. And I can go through the list. I don't know. What do you want me to look at? Tesla? What do you want me to look at? eBay? I mean, they all did it. Amazon. So no matter whatever your heart, desires, what you have a preference of trading, they all took a little big hits yesterday. So anyway, that's what we missed. Let's focus on today. We know where our crystal ball is. We're going to go through the watch list. We're going to see what's the best movers on the market. So right now we got a nice little pop in this NRSN. Okay. I'm just writing it down, right? NRSN. Now, this stock just made a big move just now. All right. Just had a nice little pop. It's up about 96%. It's up $1.20. Some of you are going to be like, is it too late to jump in? Well, there's only one way to find out. Is everybody else still buying in on the street? We got to go hop over here and look at level 4. But I could tell you this. A lot of you remember this stock very well. Back on March 21st of last year, this stock ran from $2 to $8 in one day. Okay. So I don't know about you, but that means it's too late to trade it? I don't think so. Now, when I'm looking over here on the iceberg orders, I'm not really seeing any big sellers up until about 3. But when you zoom in over here, you can see this seller right here just got filled for 11,000. The stock just had a big pop. Very, very volatile right now. So we need to see how it opens up. I probably wouldn't do anything right now with it. It made its nice little move. You can see it is a pharmaceutical stock. Obviously, news must have came out on it, but probably want to take a little, we'll see how, let's see if it scares all the profit taking. Another stock that's up pretty big, up 30%, but she's already on a little bit of a downtrend right there. So, remember, the trend is your friend. You don't want to buck that trend. This is a stock that yesterday had a really good move in the after hours. She's still holding here pretty strong, STBX. Volume is awesome. She's got 780,000 shares in pre-market. Looks like something we like. We need to go check out and see where the iceberg orders are. STBX. I'm going to load that up and get some data on this stock right here. Okay, so we just hit an iceberg order right around 368. Looks like the guy was filled. Yeah, it looks like he was filled. So a little bit of a seller right there at $4. I'll show it to you right here. See that guy right there? He was executed. See the red balls? That means he got hit a little bit. So maybe we'll put it on the watch list. This stock is gapped up right now, so probably want to stay away from that. Doesn't look like it's doing anything. Garbage. We're down to 14%, so that's not bad. We still got some good movement. This stock has a little bit of a push this morning, 300,000. It was an $87 stock. Went all the way down to the prices around $3. Got a little bit of push just now, just came in. Not bad. PBLI, I like that. Looks like it has a good spread. Volume is just starting to pick up right now. She's not up a lot, like super crazy, not terrible. EVAX is the one we traded in the past. The stock does have some good volatility. Good little level 1 stock, good beginner stock. EVAX. Looks like it's got some resistance just a little bit below $2. I need to hop over here on level 4 and see what we got going on over there. 10%. Now, once we got below 10, we kind of pretty much stop it. Any good losers out here and a good short? CPBI, this stock, this is one we just from yesterday. Garbage. The stock had a really nice run of swing trade. It's taking a big hit right now, but not really up, not really what we're looking for. New York Stock Exchange, anything good there? Probably not. Look at that. Biggest percentage gain is only up 5%. Looks like UVIX is up due to the market being, having futures down already, and the Dow futures are down. Same thing with UVIX. Remember these stocks, UVIX, back during COVID? I want to bring this up. This is pretty cool. These stocks were up all the way up. Check this out. This is awesome. This is COVID time. This stock literally ran from, it was at 110, and it ran all the way to $1,400. I mean, it was just like literally nonstop. It was just awesome. So anyway, it's not there anymore. Stock got hammered. But listen, I'm not seeing a really good pre-market. Not really seeing a really big pre-market on stocks that we traded. The market's going down. What's going on, Bobby J? This stock we traded too. Good rally going up. What was the other one? Was Party City filed bankruptcy, right? Yeah, it's already a penny stock. I don't see any action in it. So we were trading Party City. Some of you remember we traded Party City. We had some fun here. Had some good moves. You know, Party City sometimes, but obviously because bankruptcy caught up to him finally. Yeah, that's about it. Not really seeing that much out there. Anything in a big percent. I mean, we could put this stock. I'll put this on the watch list, but this is like category 2 kind of stock levels. Not really sold. Let me look over here on level 4. 8 was ARTX. See what we got going on. See where the orders are. It is trending down. It had a really good spike right in pre-market. Yeah, this. You know what? Big seller got executed right around a buck. $1.08. Not really a good sign. You can see it right there. Big order right there. 100,000, 120,000. So yeah, big spike. I don't know what the news is on it, but I didn't check it, but you could see it obviously not looking too well there. All right, anything else? Anything else out there? Here it looks link guys, CNBC, yeah, free. They're like 30, 40-second delays, but it's free. And well, we want to be 40 seconds delayed. But that's about it. I really don't see that much out. We got 4 stocks, 5 stocks. You know, we're going to probably find something the market opens up. I'm not completely sold. I'm like putting my hands on the side. But EDU is actually looking pretty good. I thought EDU was going to take a big hit. That's been a really good swing trade also. But EDU looks like, you know, EDU looks like it's making good pop. So it looks like all the Chinese stocks, Tao probably is doing pretty well too. No, Tao's not doing well. Well, interesting. EDU is the only one that's doing pretty well. Only the green one out there. All right. Look at that, please. Yeah, we'll look at that one. What, the BACRP, Lewis? BACRP. Not getting any data on it. Not getting any data. We don't trade stock like this. First of all, it's a $360 stock. It's not really with something that we trade. Okay? Not really something we'll stay away from. Oh, you're looking at DTF. You're talking about BAC. You're looking at Bank of America. Yeah. Now, if you're talking Bank of America, you know, I personally, I've been staying away from banks. I know they pay pretty good dividends, but it's not really doing that much. You know, it hasn't gone anywhere in the past year. It's been as high as 50. It's kind of flat. You know, with everything going on with inflation, banks obviously can get hit pretty hard with it. So we'll see. But I know you're new here. We kind of just strictly focus on, you know, stocks that are big percentage gainers. We like to make our days pay. If we like it with where we see that the trend, we'll cover it in class. If we see something that is moving in that industry, then we'll trade that industry. But we always like to be in cash. All right. All right, everybody. So listen, we'll get ready for class. Market's going to open up in a little bit. Good luck. Be safe out there. YouTube and Facebook members will be back here live again, back here at 2:30. And cyber traders, like we always say, you trade something, you say something. Good luck, everyone, today. Happy trading, and we'll see you then.